I'm gonna tell you this because I don't think your friends are gonna tell you. You gotta separate and then you gotta elevate. This is the key to success. Separate yourself from all the bullshit. Separate yourself from the people that's holding you back or that's condoning the ignorant stuff you're doing. Separate yourself from them stupid tendencies you got and those wicked and evil desires you got. Separate yourself from whatever greed, gluttony, depression that you're going through. Separate yourself from anxiety. All right? Separate yourself from all that. Separate yourself from broke people. Separate yourself from broke people. All right? You got to separate. And then you start the process of elevation. Once you complete that separation, start elevating yourself. Elevate. Get to a higher level. Separate, elevate. And you will have a chance to go back and inspire people and motivate them. But if you still hanging around the same crowd that's condoning that foolishness you're doing, if you hanging around the same crowd that's doing the stuff you know you need to get away from, ain't no separation. You got to separate. Separate, then elevate. All right? You can't elevate yourself when you're stuck in that same circle. And that's all I want to tell you this morning. I ain't trying to put you down. I'm just trying to keep it real with you. Separation first. And after separation, we can start looking at elevation. Once you accomplish that elevation, guess what we're going to do? We're going to hit them with a little motivation. We're going to reach back and inspire those that was in the spot that we was in. And sometimes you might not even be strong enough to reach back and inspire nobody. You got to keep moving. Find you somebody, find you a role model. Look in the mirror. Look in the mirror at yourself. Take a picture of yourself and then download the app. Put a picture of that person you used to be or the person you want to be beside it. And that's when you'll understand. You got to separate. Separate yourself from addiction. Separate yourself from your mate. Sometimes you can have a toxic mate. Separate yourself from toxic people, toxic environments. Separate, then motivate so you can, separate, then elevate so you can motivate. That's what it is. That's the truth. Separation, y'all. Peace.